Good morning, everyone. So today I chosen my VMware and I installed Windows Server 2012, and then I installed my all SAP dump, and I maintained like enough space and memory. So if you look at the screen, so after I downloaded, I'm just running the SAP INST, and I'm going to the SAP um, solution software provision manager, and there I'm just going to the uh, SAP NW 7.5, and then I'm choosing the process orchestration and standard process and just clicking on that next. So now it's going to ask, is a customer typical? So we have to prefer custom. So it is just asking to log off because of the operating system user. It wants to create a. So again, I ran the SAP NST, and it is prompting my the credentials where I ran the SAP NST. So I'm entering just my admin account here. So now it is looking for SAP JVM path. So I'm just going to show that path where the files got downloaded. So it's gonna pick up that. I think it's going to say the package is available. Yeah, the package is available. Just click on next, and now just use the Java component. So these all softwares, when you created a maintenance planner, so you will get them uh, from the service marketplace. In addition, you have to ensure, so you when you are creating the maintenance planner, so better like save that XML PDF file and open the PDF file, and then it provide the link. So I think here I'm having some hard time because I'm not showing the proper Java component. Let me find them. Now I need to enter the SID and as well where I want to install, and I have my FQDN, so I just shared that name, and I just remember this master password as admin login for SAP software. For example, in it's a web, so it is for SAP Star and DDIC. Hope you got me. Yeah, so just go on just next, and most of the time you have to choose all default uh, values. Yeah, so the password it has taken itself. So what is the master password? You enter the same password you are going to use for rest of them, like DBA and SAD, ADM and everything. So now it is time to show the IGS and SAP car files. So I think it is missing SAP xedb.sar. Let me try to find them. Now it's available. Yeah, so I think the swap size is medium, so we can ignore it. So we can set up that later. So yeah, it is asking like, do you want to still prerequisites? I don't want them. I don't want to waste my time because they are the medium. So I think the SAP host agent is already available. It's picked up from my dump directory. Sorry. Yeah, so just click on next. Okay, next, and then this is important. So database. So it is asking like, oh, so it is saying Sybase. Yeah, so Sybase 16.0. So I downloaded from service marketplace, and these are all the default values. So just please proceed next. Yeah, so you just have a quick look, but as I have taken E drive, so you just go to the E drive, so you see all um, SIDs, everything getting created once the installation execution is started. Yeah, so here I don't need to select anything. So hostname database length, so just I'm choosing the default values here. Just click on next, and these are the like all schema user IDs. Yeah, so this is also very important. Number of course 2. So when you are installing, I mean, it's my VMware. So I have taken two cores, I mean two CPUs, two cores. That's why it's able to proceed. If it is one, then yeah, we can't run the installation. These are like again default values. Number of parallel jobs 2, and just click on next. Okay, so this is one more important screen. So it's up to you what is the instance number you want to choose. So it is giving default 0 and 01. So in the real time, so you have to be careful, like is there any other SIDs running with the same instance number. So this is a pure Windows separate mission. So that's why, because I have other Fury system and HANA system, so I don't have the same instance number. Yeah, so these are the default values because we already entered admin password initially, so it is picking up from there. Yeah, these are the default. Click on next. Yes, access list is same. Yeah, so I'm not going to choose installing the web dispatcher now. I would like to install that later. Same thing, so NW integration. So I don't have an NWA now. This is a test system sandbox. Yeah, so review the parameters carefully one more time. Then if you want to edit anything, then you can just go and edit here. Otherwise, just click on next and the process will be executed. Okay, so the process got uh, started. So my friend, I had some issues when I'm finishing this installation. Like it was not able to start the service. So I had to start it manually, but one thing I realized, I don't need to do these things. But Java system take a lot of time, which is unusual. So you have to be careful. Yeah. So this is something I got an error here. Okay, let me troubleshoot this. Was saying like, let's find the log quickly. So Java processor instance SP0 waiting for start. Yeah. So it is not able to. It is waiting to start. So it is not able to start the process. So if you look at there, still it was waiting to start the SAP service. So then I thought, okay, better like okay, go and do it manually. So something like I try to restart them. So the SAP MMC already installed in the system. So I restarted them, and it helped. Yeah, see, so it is yeah, it is able to proceed. So it is performing the offline deployment. So this is almost the last step of this installation. The installation is completed successfully. Please, thank you.